Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the indexing issue in Windows 11. If your Windows search is not working properly, files are not showing up, search feels very slow, or some apps and documents are missing from search results, that usually means Windows indexing is not working correctly. Don't worry at all. Even if you have zero knowledge about Windows 11, just follow along step by step and you'll be fine. Let's get started. First, let me quickly explain what indexing is. Indexing is a background feature in Windows that helps your computer find files, apps, emails, and settings quickly when you search for them. If indexing stops or gets corrupted, search becomes slow or stops working. Now, let's fix it. Step 1. Open Windows Settings. First, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Start button. Now, click on Settings. If you don't see it, you can simply press Windows key plus I on your keyboard. This will open Windows Settings. Step 2. Go to Privacy and Security. Inside Settings, look at the left side menu. Scroll down a little and click on Privacy and Security. Now, on the right side, scroll down and find Searching Windows. Click on it. Step 3. Check Search Mode. At the top, you'll see something called Find My Files. You'll see 3 options: Classic, Enhanced. Select Enhanced. This allows Windows to index your entire computer instead of just limited folders, which fixes most search problems. Give it a few seconds. Windows will automatically start adjusting indexing. Step 4. Restart Windows Search Service. Now we'll restart the search service. Click on the Start button, type Services, and open it. A new window will open. Scroll down and find Windows Search. Once you find it, right-click on Windows Search, click Restart. If Restart is not available, click Stop, wait a few seconds, then click Start. This refreshes the indexing service. Step 5. Rebuild the search index. This step is very important. Go back to Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Click on Searching Windows again. Scroll down and click on Advanced Indexing Options. A new window will open. Now click on Advanced. Under the Index Settings tab, look for Rebuild and click on it. You'll see a warning. Just click OK. Windows will now rebuild the index from scratch. This can take some time depending on your system, but you can keep using your computer normally. Step 6. Restart your computer. After rebuilding the index, restart your computer. This helps Windows apply all the changes properly. Final check. After your PC restarts, click on the search icon and try searching for a file or app. Your Windows search should now work smoothly and show correct results. Important tip. If your laptop is new or you just updated Windows, indexing may take some time to finish, so give it a few hours after rebuilding. And that's it. That's how you fix indexing issues in Windows 11, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.